Hi, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. Hope you all doing good. And today the topic is breakfast healthy drink. Breakfast is one of the most important food you have to take at the morning. If you skip the breakfast, it's give lot of problem in your body. It's especially it's affect the brain health. So now I am telling how to make the juice. What are the ingredients we are going to use? First, take 5 dates, take 3 almond, and take 3 pieces of pistachio, and take 100 gram of dry grapes. Take these 4 ingredients, soak in the water at the night. Morning, take that one, put it in the blender, mix it well, and filter and drink. I will mention the recipe in the description box also. You can check if you have doubts. So once you take this as a healthy drink at the morning, it helps to improve your bone health, and it's good source of vitamins, minerals, everything is available in that almonds. So kindly please try this juice and tell me your suggestion, and it is very tasty also. And there is a dates is one of the good source of iron you will get for your body. So please, those who are not interested to take the breakfast, you don't have time to take the breakfast, please try this will need only 10 to 15 minutes to make the preparation, and it is good for your health also. Please try and tell me your comments, and please share with your family and friends, and please support our YouTube channel. Please give your subscription. Stay healthy. Thank you.